For graphing a logarithm, there's a couple of approaches. I don't care if you put the equation in your calculator and graph it that way, that's fine. Another way to think about it is to look at the equation. So I'm going to do number 5. Now I know that that's actually log base 10. Okay, and we're doing this to x plus 2. So I want us to think about what are some values for x and what would those correspond to. But I'm going to kind of think of the end in mind. So remember that doing the log actually gives you the exponent. So we can kind of think of this in a backwards kind of way. Like, what kind of exponents could we put on a base 10? Well, I could put a 0 exponent on a base 10, and 10 to the 0 power is 1. So what number would this argument need to be in order to make 1? Well, x would have to be -1, because -1 plus 2 is +1. So when I look at my graph, I should expect to see the point -1, 0. Okay. We can try some other points, like another exponent that I could put on a base 10 would be 1. Okay. And that would give me 10. So what would x need to be in that argument in order for this to be 10? Well, it would have to be 8. So I'm going to be looking for those points. I see that B is a nice option. It looks like I have that -1, 0. And then I'm also going to look and see if I have 8, 1, which it looks like I do right over here. So it's a little bit hard to read, but you can do it. You can also think about these in terms of shifts. So we have a +2 inside with the x, so that curve is going to be shifted to the left too. So that's another reason why I can pick B. So go ahead and try number 6 on your own, and if you have questions, post it to the discussion board.